How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is a day I've been looking forward to ever since we've arranged it. And yeah, as per the title and thumbnail, the RM250 is going over to MAKZ. So MAKZ is Suzuki, Kawasaki, KTM, and they do the Yamaha Wave Runner jet skis as well. And yeah, the RM250 is going in there. So Quad Bits, where I work, we've sort of partnered with them, and it's going on their showroom. So that's what is happening today. Outside, as you can see, I already have the trailer and stuff hooked up onto the car, and then the RM250 is just under this blanket here. First thing this morning, before we take it over there, is it's going to my work, and yeah, we're gonna just go through it, give it a real good detail and stuff. Yeah, give it a silicone up, tire shine it, make it look absolutely mint. Well, the RM is all loaded up. Yeah, so there's still actually a few little things I've got to do. I missed out the brake tether strap, so I need to hook that up, and then just clean the little bit of surface rust off the pipe, re-oil the pipe, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. Then just give it a good silicone up and stuff. But otherwise, be sweet. So yeah, I'll update you guys on the way to my work. So I've just got to work now. And you're just doing a few last little things on the 250. Right, so what I've just done is the rear brakes were making like a weird squeaking sound, so it was missing this like anti-rattle thing here. So I've just found one of them off a caliper upstairs, and yeah, that should take up a bit of that slop now, so we can put the rear wheel back on. Right, so now you spin it. It's got a very slight sort of rattle, but the reason why is because the powder on the inside of the hub, I didn't mask the hub off when I had them powder coated. So when I had to sand them down, and then yeah, it's not come perfectly flat. So ideally I need to put them on a lathe and get them to just spin the powder off. But this will do for now. So now I just need to clean the little bits of rust off the pipe there, and then re-lubricate the pipe, and then mount the brake tether up, and then probably need to drain the rest of the tank. It's hard to see, but and then just drain the carb since it's going to be sitting for a while. And then I might pull this line off too and just brake clean it just to get rid of the oil that's inside there, just with a Scotch-Brite pad. Like so. I just like to get some CRC and just spray it all on, and then let it sit, and then just wipe it. Get in all the welds and stuff. And then just you can just wipe any overspray that's on the engine stuff off. So and then we'll let that sit for about 10 minutes. Alright, so pipe's all lubricated up, looks sweet. It's got a nice shine to it now, and it won't rust while it's sitting in the showroom. So now I just need to pop this nut here off, and then this tether strap from the brake pedal just goes on there, and then retighten the nut down. So I was just draining the fuel out of the carb then, so it's just started to lean out. So yeah, I've just shut it off. So it's ready to sit for a wee while now and the carb won't get all gummed up. Yeah, the bike is all clean now, so we got the rear brake sorted out, the pipe cleaned up, everything siliconed. So it's real shiny now. And drained the fuel out of the tank and the carb as well. So it's loaded up, so we'll head over to MAKZ now. Alrighty, well I have just left work now. As you can see, the RM250 is behind me on the trailer. So yeah, I'm going to quickly swing home, grab Dad and my mate. He's going to be filming for me, just so I don't have to worry about doing yeah, all that. And then yeah, we'll start heading over there. But yeah, pretty excited about the opportunity that I get to show my work and my bike off yeah, in a Suzuki dealership. And yeah, it's one of the bigger ones in Tauranga, so yeah, super stoked about it. So yeah, we will be there shortly. Alright, so just pulling up to MAKZ now. It's just here on the left. We need to park in there.
So is what we're thinking is sort of underneath the
Suzuki.
Yeah. Does it need to come forward a bit?
Righty, so we just made it to MAKZ. We got the RM wheeled in here. In amongst all the other Suzuki stuff. So it's just sitting here at the back, yeah, in the Suzuki bay, sorta. But yeah, they've got everything here, KTMs, Yamaha jet skis, Suzukis and Kawasaki's and stuff. And then all your apparel and accessories and stuff over there. So yeah, if you're in the area, come check the bike out. Alrighty guys, it's 3 weeks after I dropped the bike off now to MAKZ. Yeah, I am so behind on videos that I'll just be including picking up the bike as well in this video. But yeah, I've just been so busy with work that I haven't been able to get as many videos out as I would have liked. But yeah, I've just been trying to put out one video a week. So today we're going to pick up the RM250 again, even though I only just dropped it off for you guys. But yeah, because tomorrow we're going riding. We're taking the RM250, the RM125, and Dad's bike. So yeah, I've got some pretty big news to tell you guys. That'll be in a later video. But yeah, we got the RM125 done as well. That just shows how far behind on videos I am. But yeah, so we're just about to jump in the car and head back over to MAKZ, pick up the bike, and I've got a few little things to do to it before we go for a ride tomorrow. So yeah, let's go. So we just got the RM250 back from MAKZ. I just want to give a massive shout out to MAKZ for letting me show off the bike in the showroom. Yeah, apparently I had quite a bit of interest and stuff, so yeah, super stoked with it, and yeah, massive thanks to them for letting me do that. So now the bike only has about 15 minutes on that top end, so I need to break it in before we go riding tomorrow. So I'm going to do 3 more heat cycles on it. So yeah, first 15 minutes I'll just let it idle, let it cool down, and then do that again, and then the next one just a few revs below quarter throttle, and then the fourth one I'll do out at Perenni tomorrow, and it'll just be like yeah, I'll just ride it around and then just go through the gears so it's different rev ranges and stuff, and then yeah, it should be ready to go. So yeah, we'll I've got to put a bit more fuel on it because I had to drain it before it went into the shop, and then yeah, we'll start it up and we'll begin the braking process. Alright, there's the first heat cycle done, 15 minutes running, so we'll let the radiator cap cool down to like just cold, and then we'll start it back up, do another 15 minutes. Okay, well the bike's cooled down enough now to start back up, so yeah, we'll run it for another 15 minutes. Yeah, RM is all broken in now. We done like 3 heat cycles on it. So yeah, the motor's got hot, cooled down and stuff, so the rings should be pretty much completely broken in. Tomorrow, like I haven't seen the track in quite a while, so we'll be riding slow at start. So it'll be good just to finish breaking the motor in, and then we'll let it cool for a bit. Super excited for tomorrow. You'll be going up to Perenni to go take the bikes for a rip. Yeah, the 125 and stuff's all done. So we're taking the 2 Suzuki's and Dad's KX250 out. Also off camera, I put a leaner pilot jet in it. When I put the reeds in, they recommended going 3 to 5 sizes leaner on the main jet. So I already done that after we came back from MAKZ last, and then I haven't ridden it since then, but just from running it up and stuff, I noticed it was quite rich, like smoky at idle. So I put I think it was the 2 sizes down on the pilot jet. So yeah, hopefully it'll be sweet. It sounds pretty good. I just run it up and all that, so yeah, sounds pretty good. But yeah, look forward to the next video, guys. I'll probably better make a few videos out of going for a ride. So yeah, look forward to them. First ride on the RM250 after all the work on the motor, and then on the RM125, which is sitting to the right of me, which you guys haven't seen yet. So yeah, get hyped for that. And yeah, cheers for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.